kugambira mu kiteekeeyi
byankuwanza
Pressure 24/7.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
May it please this court, Your Worship. Keko Joan, Chief State Attorney. I'm appearing together with Richard Birivumbuka, Chief State Attorney. We are both from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. There is counsel on watching brief, Mr. Nahabwe Precious from Elgon Advocates, is also in court. He's on watching brief, Your Worship, for the complainants.
The complainant.
I have not seen or been approached by any lawyer representing the accused.
In this matter for the accused person?
Your Worship, we pray that his plea is taken. Language.
What do you understand?
We pray that the language he prefers is mentioned clearly.
So you understand English and Uganda properly?
yes
So which one would you prefer today?
I would prefer to use
This question?
Letter that 827 years Uganda by its businessman residents at Kauga village in Kono Upper, Kono Municipality, Kono District. Count 1 is hate speech, particularly summary criminalized pressure.
You also pray that the section of the law is read as
I think let me read the charge.
much as like you.
Let me read the charge. Mr. Usana Ibrahim, also called Presure 24/7. You are a male adult, you are 27 years. You are Uganda by tribe, you are a businessman, reside in Kauga village in Mukono Upper, Mukono Municipality, in Mukono District. You stand charged with 8 counts. Count number 1 is hate speech, according to section 24A1A, C, and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. The particular offense are that you, Mr. Ibrahim, also known as Presure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you share the information which is likely to reach or degrade or demean and promote hostility against a person with His Excellency Dr. Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood?
Yes. I don't know I was committing a crime since I have psychology of problem.
Here, not guilty has been entered on count number 1. Count number 2 is malicious information, under section 26C, 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. It's alleged in particulars that you, Musa Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024 in areas of Kampala district, or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you share the malicious information relating to His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood the charge?
Yes.
Is it true?
I don't know I was committing a crime since I have psychological problems. I've been taken to time for this.
Been entered on count number 2. Count number 3 is according to section 26A1, A, B, C, and subsection 2 of the Misuse Act 2011 as amended. The particulars of the offense are that you, Musa Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024 in areas of Kampala East or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, share the information which is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean, create divisions among the Baganda tribe, and promote hostility against a person with His Majesty Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II, the Kabaka of Buganda Kingdom. Have you understood the charge?
Yes.
Is it true?
I didn't know that I was committing a crime since the spirits of the Father came to you, disturbed me and possessing me, so I could participate.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 3. Count number 4 is malicious information, according to section 26C, 1, subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011. The particulars are that you, Musa Ibrahim, also known as Pressure 24/7, between August 2023 and February 2024, in areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Pressure 24/7, you share the malicious information relating to His Majesty Ronald Muwenda Mutebi, the King, bracket Kabaka of Uganda Kingdom. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
It is not true. Like I've explained before that I am psychological. I have psychological problems and the spirits keep on haunting me and I was frustrated. So I decided to I'm only human. I lost control of everything. I didn't mean to malice or to degrade him because I highly respect this kingdom since I'm a prince.
There was a slight amendment to count number 4. The particulars, the main malicious that you, Musa Ibrahim, alias Presure 24/7 between August 2023 and February 2024, layers of Kampala or thereabout, while using the computer via TikTok account at Presure 24/7, we shared malicious information relating to His Majesty Ronald Mwena II, the King, bracket Kabaka of Uganda Kingdom. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
It's not true. I have been frustrated for about 2 years now, and I have made attempts to write to the Buganda Kingdom about the spirits of the fallen kings that have been haunting me and asking me to repair their tombs, and yet I don't have resources.
We pray that you misuse himself to either yes or no at the moment. I think that is the best way.
What I'm trying to ask you, whatever he says, I interview will not be guilty. Account number 5 is hate speech. Conversation 26 A1, A1, 26 capital A1, A, and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2020 of 2011 as amended. The particulars are that you, Musa Ibrahim, also known as Presure 24/7, at the month of August 2023 and February 2024, in the areas of Kampala district, or the above, while using a computer via TikTok account, at Presure 27, shared information which is likely to ridicule or degrade or demean a person to which Right Honorable Anita Annette among the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Not true, sir.
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 5. Count number 6 is malicious information. Under section 26, capital C, 1 and 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. And the particulars are that you, Musa Ibrahim, also known as Presure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024, in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, or using a computer via TikTok account at Presure 24/7, shared malicious information relating to the Right Honorable Anita Annette among the Speaker of the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Not true. I didn't know I was committing a crime. Like I mentioned.
A plea of not guilty has been entered against you on count number 6. A, that's capital A, subsection 1C and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. The particulars of the offense are you, Musa Ibrahim, also known as Presure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024 in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, or using a computer via TikTok account at Presure 24/7, you share information which is likely to promote hostility against a person with Honorable Joyce Nabosa Sebugwao. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, I've understood that, charge.
Is it true?
I had no intentions of publishing any malicious content since I've explained to you earlier before that I was in
A plea of not guilty has been entered on count number 7. Count number 8 is malicious information under section 26, capital C, subsection 1 and subsection 2 of the Computer Misuse Act of 2011 as amended. And the particulars of the offense are that you, Musa Ibrahim, also known as Presure 24/7, between the month of August 2023 and February 2024, in the areas of Kampala district or thereabout, while using a computer via TikTok account at Presure 24/7, shared malicious information relating to Honorable Joyce Nabosa Sebugwao. Have you understood the charge?
Yes, sir.
Is it true?
Not true.
Not guilty has been entered on count.
Inquiries in this matter are still ongoing. We seek an adjournment to conclude the inquiries. We pray that the next date is a date for mention of this case.
Mr. Musa, you do have... Where are they?
Asha Blessing and my wife. Asha Blessing.
Where the treaties for Mr. Musana? Please, let me have a look at your national identity cards and the LC letters introducing you and introducing the applicant as per the... You don't have an identity card? What? So one of them is not ready? In Samsung, you have seen that?
Yes, I've seen that. I had. I have purity, but they didn't correct that.
So they are not ready to stand for you today? So you don't have sureties? They are not there, Mr. Musana. Please. Are they there?
I replied to them with the I've been having so many people, when you call them spiritual conditions, and look at in a way that it's not right, but I am a very respectable young man, and I promise is to delete all the publications I made and to ask for forgiveness. I'm not a violent young man, neither do I have evil intentions towards the current government or the presiding government. I respect each and everybody in their authority, and I promise to delete all the publications and stop with immediate effect. If court again publishing such content on social media, I would plead guilty. But I didn't have any knowledge of me promoting the crime, and I don't have any hate speech, rather than I was trying to put out the things that I saw as unfair in society. I'm sorry if they came out not right, but I'm not a harmful person, and I don't have any counts of violence, neither do I have counts of hate speech.
Mr. Musana, since your sureties have no identifications, they are deemed not to be present in this court. So you are remanded until the 7th of March 2024, when you will be out here in this court, information of your case.
This man, omuntu yenna bw'agamba nti aleka mugeza nga kyo yagamba ojjukira omusajja yakuba muserikale yakuba omusajja amasasi n'agamba nti netwala ku polisi aba mulamu kati nono omwana alina byakolanga byabulamu kati nga wagamba tufiga sente empapula nzuri gatwale ku polisi byabulamu musemaleka mu mwaka wairo bitwera ofu mutemukamanyi I am
That's what I want to teach you a lesson. You will know the meaning of motherfucker. You just called her. And respect to your age, brother.
emisango gibadde kitya omusango gubadde gutya era council bamuvunaanye amanya naabwe Precious okuva mu Elgon Advocates tuzze nga ndi ne client waffe Jennifer Full Figure presidential advisor tuli ne president wa TikTokers Frank Apao ne council Matovu Ronald mu Buganda Kingdom nga fena twasitukiramu nga tuzze okugata amaanyi okulwanirira ekitiibwa ky'Obuganda, ekitiibwa kya president, ekitiibwa kya speaker, ekitiibwa kya buli muntu yenna avumiddwa omwami gwe tuyita Ibrahim nga bayise pressure Musana Ibrahim yeyita pressure 24/7. Kooti emuguddewo emisango 8. Kooti eguddewo emisango 8 okuweebuula Ssaabasajja Kabaka, okuweebuula president, okuweebuula speaker, Joyce Sebugwawo honorable bonna bazaavuma. Kati tuzze ne tusitukiramu ne tugamba nti tetujja kukkiriza ensobi zigende nga zigenda mu maaso. Ensobi zigenda mu maaso ne tutazaanukula kuba amateeka ne galabika nga gataliiwo. Waliwo a lot of public outcry nga bagamba ate tukozeewo ki okulaba nga ekitiibwa kya Buganda, ekitiibwa ky'abantu abakulembeze b'eggwanga tekitoobolebwa nga tewali kikozesebwawo. Baba charges emisango kuli malicious, spreading malicious information, hate speech, otadde ne computer misuse. Emisango gyonna omugate giri emisango 8 ku bantu ab'enjawulo. Era leero bamusomedde emisango gye weewaawo ye n'agamba nti alina ekizibu ku bwongo, emizimu gya Buganda gimulinnyira. Ebyo byonna bajja binoonyerezaako kubanga omuwaabi wa gavumenti ayogedde n'agamba nti bakyali mu kunoonyereza. Poliisi ekyali kukola omulimu gw'amaanyi okulaba nga emanya oba kituufu yatwalibwako ebutabika, omutwe gumuluma, alina obuzibu ku bwongo oba nedda, basooke binoonyerezeko byonna ng'emisango gigenda mu maaso. Ffenna buli omu yeebuuza nti ate lwaki mwavaayo nti wadde ndi mukiga sisobola kukkiriza ate okutyoboola Ssaabasajja Kabaka. Tulina okuwanga n'ebitiibwa wadde nga nyinza okuba siina ludda lwembagira naye totyobola president, totyobola speaker nga tewali nsonga nga bwe muwulidde mwena ng'omwana ayogera, tewali nsonga yagumba yonna gy'agambye nti oba kye yali akola kituufu, olaba ng'abadde asaba n'ekisonyi nti byayogera tabitegeera nti si bituufu, tabinako bwa bizinzi. So tuvuddeyo ne tuyimirira awamu ne tugatta amaanyi ne client waffe Jennifer Full Figure ne tulaba nga at least statement ekoleddwa era obubaka bugende buli omu alowooza nti agenda kukozesa obw'omutimbagano okuvumaganya, okutaataganya bizinesi z'abantu, n'alowooza nti amateeka tegagenda mukwatako. Era omulanga gugende bulungi straight kubanga otwogerera ono bamusindise ku remand paka nga 7 ogwokusatu. Amanya yenze n'abo and together with the Council and Katovu from Buganda Kingdom, putting in force togetherness to see that the respect of our leaders is maintained, the respect of the king and the kingdom is maintained, and the respect of our leader, the President of Uganda, and the Speaker of Parliament, and the Honorable Joseph Bugwao, and also some utterances that were directed against our client, Jennifer Fulfika. Today, the accused person, Minister Presure, calls himself Presure, also known as Musana Ibrahim, has been remanded up to 7th March and has pleaded not guilty to 8 counts of computer misuse against all the persons that we have named, of malicious information, spreading malicious information, and improper use of social media, the Computer Misuse Act. So we are very happy that each and everyone has put up a force and a fight to make sure that we create sanity and proper use of social media. We also, the accused person has managed to tell court that he has a problem psychologically, and that will be investigated to make sure that it is either proved or disapproved, and whether he is insane or is of sound mind. All that will come out at the level of when the investigations are done. But for now, he has pleaded not guilty to the offences, but has claimed that he has a psychological problem, which will be investigated. We also urge everyone to use to use social media in a proper manner, so that we respect one another and we avoid killing each other's businesses and brands.
Council, you were saying that you were Mchiga, but you had to fight for the Buganda Kingdom. Yes, kindly in English.
Yes. Whereas I am a Mchiga, I cannot see the king of Uganda being affected by a fellow Muganda actually who is trying to abuse and kill the image of the kingdom. It is a responsibility of everyone, because we are all living on Uganda's land. We must respect each other. We must not only focus on tribes, but even if you are Mchigo, Minyankole or Mcholi, you can come up and fight for the Uganda kingdom, because so long as someone is a leader, and this is where we are staying, all of us in Uganda, then each and everyone has a duty to fight for the kingdom and to make sure that at least the king is not spread malicious information against him.
Council in Uganda, briefly in Uganda. Council.
Okay. Tubulira kemisango gye bamusomedde bani be yavuma kuba kino gwe tumanyiddwa muniyo mu lugimu ki lwaki bani.
Yes, amanya yezena habwe Precious okuva mu Elgon Advocates, tuze wamu ne Frank Abaho, president wa TikTokers, okuli Jennifer Fulfika, presidential advisor, nga gati waffe yatutuukirira nga asaba tugulewo emisango beri Pressure ku Twitter. Musana Ibrahim yavaayo n'atyobola kabaka wa Buganda, n'atyobola president, n'atyobola speaker, n'atyobola Honorable Joseph Bugwao, n'atyobola ne Jennifer Fulfika, presidential advisor, n'abavuma ebigambo bye tutasobola kuyisa wano ku mpewo. Leero tuvuddeyo ne bamukyajinga ne bamuleeta wano mu kooti ne bamusomera emisango 8 kuli computer misuse, malicious damage, malicious spread of information, okuli hate speech and misuse of social media. Sajja gwe tuyita Musana Ibrahim bamusindise ku remand paka ka 7 omwezi ogw'okusatu. Tuli basanyufu byonna situpidde wamu, respective of each and every tribe, n'alwanira ekitiibwa kya Buganda, n'alwanira ekitiibwa ky'abakulembeze baffe ab'eggwanga. Wadde avunaanibwa Musana Ibrahim avuddeyo n'agamba nti omutwe gwe si mulambulukufu, ekyo bagenda tunoonyerezaako bamanye oba kituufu omutwe gulina ekizibu, wafunamu ekizibu wanedda. Naye nga bw'olabye kitalina nsonga nambulukufu yonna gy'awa emuvumisa obwakabaka oba emuvumisa ekitiibwa kya pulezidenti oba sipiika oba presidential advisor. So tukuba omulanga buli wamu yenna akozesa social media ye agende mu maaso nga agonjoola ensonga eno okulaba nti takozesa bubi essimu ye. Kasooba n'essimu yo yenkana kompyuta, bajja kukyatinga emisango gya computer misuse. Ndi Mukiga naye nvuddeyo okulwanirira ekitiibwa kya Buganda n'ekitiibwa ky'abakulembeze b'eggwanga, kubanga kitukakatako ffenna tubeera mu Buganda kulwanirira ekitiibwa kya Ssaabasajja Kabaka. Amanya nze naabwe Precious.
ekyo kyonna kyonna kimumala kimu psychological mental
naye ng'abakyali be nga tebalina ndangamuntu bonna oba bamuvuddemu tekitegeera bobi wine alina ekigambo kyeyagamba otankuula entalo obwesiza emikwano gyo bakusaasira ekirabye leero wadde alina abaana bamusapooti nga gamba 20 buli omu ate talina ndangamuntu tusayo okumweyimirira emisango avunaaniddwa emisango 8 kuliko okuma sipiika wa paliamenti kaka buganda n'abantu batinze n'omunyiivu ekigambo ky'okukuma mama Museveni okudeka yakabaka buganda emisango ebiri byemali era nga tusaba kooti etuwa obwenkanya gafe banogawo kumusa twagala asibwe omulala asitasobola kwetegera nti mulalo nze simu sizirabangaawo awo jasi baleranga bwe bamusabye endangamuntu nga tagireese jasi banoonya simpase na mawulire kyogamba omwana oyo talina ndangamuntu lwaki tagireese emweyimirira banoonya simpase na gundi but ekituufu bakimanyi
tubuulireko kiki kyoyogera ku bya Presure okumugulako omusango nga gwe yavayo n'amuwabya
okusookera ddala
kansooka tukolereko wano
njakubaza Buganda ga Kingdom nebaza bannayuganda mwenna n'abantu bonna bannayuganda kino tekyakwata ku baganda bokka kyakwata ku bantu bangi okusookera ddala nja bagamba nti ndi muzadde amwe mother alina omuntu omwana asigala mwana naye mu bulamu bwetutambuliramu abagamba nti success and fair based on New reality buli kintu kyokera kyakufumintiriza ate n'okubala situation buli bulamu bwotambula mbalanga situation bwolumba kingdom oba bwolumba obwakabaka bwa Buganda oba olumbye oba okutte ku ssavu ly'Abaganda oba okutte ku mpologoma oli magulu nyondo kyekyu tazanyirwako kyovula Abaganda bagamba nti ali mukabya amaziga ndi mukabya omusaayi waligwa wendigwa waliwo n'abantu abeewaayo okuttibwa olwa Ssaabasajja Kabaka so nze ng'omuzadde nakiramu interest bbiri nekibitamu interest bbiri maybe Abaganda basobola okukwata omwana ne mutusaako obuvune ne mutamanya mwenna ekyokubiri nti singa tetumukomako ajja kusigala ng'akola ebintu by'ebimu nga ye amanyi nti birungi ng'afuna views ne likes ezitamugasiza saawa ya leero neŋŋamba nze ng'omuzadde alumirirwa omwana nina mutwala mu mateeka okusinga maybe kuba kati n'ogamba omuntu olaba ekiyitibwa Obuganda Kabaka agenda bugenzi bugerere abantu ne bafa abasajja ne bajjayo petrol station nga munywa amafuta nga mwagala mukole eki Uganda abantu ababuyimiddeko bangi tulina Kanso Nahabwe ye lawyer wange owa Helgon Company ye Kanso Lutalo Robert basajja ba Nankola ne bagamba ekikwata ku Buganda fo Buganda butuleze bwatusembeza tuli wano bano bali expensive kwa manche bakola manya mateeka naye agamba kukikwata ku Ssaabasajja Kabaka akanyumukiremu ale ne kikwata ku mwana kuba nange ndi muzadde asobola ofuna obuzibu bwonna mungeremu obwenda so bwetwayimukiramu okugema kukira okuwonya omwana okumukomako oba okugamba nti maybe otinamuteeka ennaku 2-3 anaafunamu okutema mutima naye mwenna mubadde mumulaba omwana otwamugamba ko yasigala awaka ate nga ataddemu abantu bangi tosobola kuwakula ntalo kanaana nanakukuba tomumanya nanakuta tomumanya mujjukira limemba twafiirwa Isma Olax ne ripooti enabakudda Isma yali musajja ali intelligent afaayo n'analizinga ensonga kuba yali muyigirize n'ayogera ensi yonna yakerenga ku Isma ku makya morning show ng'akwata bukwasi simu yenatwa n'ayogera ensonga ng'abantu bamala following ne likes yabireka tebyamugasa kumuwa bulamu twafiirwa omwana w'omulwanyi namumanyi jakana atulanga n'ayogera naguno guliko tosobola kuŋŋamba nti jakana yafa bwati oba bwati oba bwati so n'olwekyo bwe tuvaayo ne tugenda mu kkooti kuba kutaasa era singa munneebaza bwebaza okusinga omuleka bamukube okusinga omuleka attibwe kubanga tojja kumanya agenda mutta togenda kumanya agenda kumukuba tosobola kuwakula ntalo mutwalo ku bantu mutwalo kubanga oyagala likes and follow nolowooza nti wajja kukulayo at least akola ki so mbasaba president wa TikTok yugiwa oli abantu mwana TikTok n'abamasimu abaana mubanyonyole sefuko wooli gwomu biggest trending oba trending ekyo nkyogera mazima kubanga TikTok abantu basinga balaba sefuko era gwo mugo wajja ne ba Frank abako ne baba wabirako nabako mukyali ku fayiro ye naye kino mukigamba abaana osobola okulumba levozo osobola okwegala mu muyinzo zanya mukati muwate bikawano mwaine miki muyine bya be mulona nyumba namugaba tugende mulingi namugenda mulingi ne bujjo kati ogenda kutepinga naza step ate nga kyokola ki anti nga kikongeddeko yes sawa ya lero nawo tukosa wi interview bokola following nga weyambula ng'olaga pampa olaga kabina tewali muntu wakalanga agenda kakuwa okujjako okukolera ebitole by'emmere tali muntu alina kampani agenda kuyita nga weyambula ne weerebera tali nolwekyo tali agenda kuwakalanga ng'ovuma buli omu ojja kuvuma fulufiga nga mukwano gwa Honorable Nsereko abere nga yalina kampani gyayagala okubira akalango ojja kuvuma fulufiga nga mukwano gwa Miss Kigundi na Miss Kigundi yalina akalango koyagala bakolere ki kati mbasi ku secondinga oba you get my point lwe luzungu obutuufu kwendi omuzungu aganti play